What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm holding my GA-2100 Casio GShock. I did a video of it. I call it a jellyfish. Nobody watched that video. Few people actually watched the video, but of those few, most didn't really like the watch, including Howie here saying, nope, not my style. My son would love it though. Or Mick. It's your money, so no offense, but I wouldn't buy the watch. Far, far too much plastic. And then, of course, Miguel from SoCal Watch Reviews, always my bud, coming in with, I really like this one, especially on a NATO, which he has himself. So, I got to thinking about it, and I picked something up. Not a NATO, but it is for the GA-2100, so let's get started. Alright guys, so this is a product I obviously picked up from Amazon, arrived in literally one day. It is on Amazon Prime. This is the first I'm opening it, and you can see the box is sort of torn up. Also available on AliExpress. I'll try to find a link to that and put in the description. I will put this Amazon link in the description. It's available in the piece I picked up here, as well as a few colorations. But obviously, we know what we're doing. We're doing the Casio Oak. We're making it look more like a Royal Oak with putting a steel case on it. This one, a third generation. You can see they sent a little tin, sort of like your GShock tin, which is really, really cool. Inside, packaged extremely well, as if they were sending their own watch. Little screws. Let's get to it, guys. Let's build this one. Gonna be interesting. Take some of this plastic off and get a good look at this steel. I believe this is 316. I'll have to go back and look, and I'll place in the comments below if it's not, but I do believe it is. Taking the plastic off, you can see very well protected. Little play in the bracelet, little play in the buckle, but not near as bad as I thought. I had seen a review of this one from an AliExpress vendor, and there was a lot more play. So I don't know, maybe the Amazon product is a little bit better. Maybe I just got lucky, but yeah, that's not bad. For $115, that's not bad at all. You have this integrated deployant on this butterfly clasp. Really cool. Polish and brushed edges. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is set the little jellyfish design down. Get these replacement screws and tools out. They sent us a few tools, as you can see here, 4 to be exact, including this push pin. And we'll just use them all, or maybe we won't use any. Let's see. What do we do first? Well, first we're going to take the, actually I'm going to get a different tool. I'm going to get one a little more sturdy, this little flathead, and we're going to engage this and remove our jellyfish strap. Once that's removed, then you have these 4 Phillips screws. I'm just going to use this flathead and remove these 4 Phillips head screws. That's done. We're just going to pop this sort of vinyl protection off of the carbon core body. Super simple. Now exposing the carbon core body. Pop it right in. Totally simple. You can see it slides right into those little slats there. We're going to take the flathead screws that are more aesthetic and replace it by reversing the process. Once we have those 4 in, we're going to take that flathead that I used to pop the spring bars, and we're just going to make sure that we've got those fully tightened, because that's what's holding your carbon core guard watch head onto the steel band and head. So yeah, we definitely want those for secure. Once they're secure, we have a new watch, all of which took approximately 10 minutes, guys. So super, super easy. We have this directional deployant butterfly clasp. Once it's on, see it's quite large, guys. So sizings come next. And sort of a bummer, guys, I had a whole sizing video about 5 minutes on this watch. It was corrupted, so we are all sized already as we look at it outdoors. I took 6 links out. These are screw-in links, so that flathead screwdriver that was supplied easily allows you to remove links, and I think this thing looks fantastic. I actually had no idea it was going to look this good with your brushed and polished finishing. This is in fact 316L stainless steel, as I stated above, but or before, but I wasn't sure. I did go back and look. It is 316L stainless, brushed and polished. The brushed edges are fairly rough. The polished edges are extremely smooth. You have that deployant butterfly buckle. Just looks really good with these polished ends and the polished screws, matching the polished push buttons for the original 2100 of the G-Shock. This thing fits a 2100 or a 2110 G-Shock, any of the CasiOak variants, basically. It's a 44 millimeter case width now, 11 millimeters thick case with a 3.5 millimeter thick integrated bracelet. You can see there. Comes in at 121 grams before adding the carbon core guard G-Shock head into the system there. They say it's adjustable from 8.2 millimeters or inches, I should say, down to a 5.9 inch wrist, but I would say that's incorrect. I would say the smallest you would want to go is about a 6.5 inch wrist because of that integrated bracelet that does look absolutely fantastic. This is from the HonTao store, HonTao, on Amazon. You can also find them on Ali, but this one was from Amazon under the, are you ready for this, guys? GA-2100 metal watch band strap, 3rd generation replacement accessories for Casio G-Shock, GA-2100 / GA-2110. So super short name for this one, guys. You can actually pick up the 2100 as well as this conversion kit on Amazon and get them both for around $285 if you do a little shopping. So I highly recommend this. I actually ordered it on a whim. I was just bored one evening and just decided to order it. And yeah, I'm really glad I did, guys. I think it turned out fantastic. I'm really surprised about those end links or those screwed links. Usually you'd see push pins on something in this price point. So I'm really happy about that. What do you guys think? Do you like the jellyfish design of the original? Would you rather have the sort of vinyl outer casing, or do you like this steel brush and polish? This one comes in the same color with a black bezel, also some gold variants. Let me know what you think, guys. I really appreciate you all stopping by. Definitely check out some of the other videos in this series, like the unboxing for this one. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.